This model creates voxels on a surface. It takes a surface as input, divides space in cubes, and keeps only the one intersecting the surface. But computing all cubes in the surface bounding box would take too long, so we need a better strategy like this one, for example. Compute intersecting planes and vertical stripes from these planes. Then filter the stripes to keep only the one intersecting the surface. Create squares on these stripes, and again, filter this list to keep only the one intersecting the surface. And finally, create the cubes from the squares. To filter intersecting stripes, for example, we are using the selector node like this. Compute intersection of every stripe with the surface, and use the node isEmpty as a criteria to feed directly the selector node on the list of stripes. All the stripes not intersecting the surface will be replaced by empty. Then you simply need to remove the empty elements to get the filtered list of intersecting stripes.